Dad.
Hi, Madeline. You can do
Look
it,
at that.
really.
Yeah, you're moving. Give her. Give her. Look at that. You're actually moving towards me. What a mobile little girl. Look at you go. Push, push. Atta girl.
Blanket.
Here, do you want to eat this instead? Here. No, you're busy pushing, right? You're going places. You're going, hey, Dad, let me see you. Hey. Hey. Hi.
Hi.
That's a funny look on your little face. Oh.
That was a lot of work.
Yeah, I was pushing.
Aww.
Exercise, right? Yeah, you got lots of exercise.
Hi, Madeline. Hi. Hi there, honey. Say hi to the camera. Oh, that's a little bit of a wave there.
That's close enough. Yeah, very good. Very good, sweetheart.
Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.